So let's resume. We are going to start with the next topic, which is sequence and series. In other words, your chapter on AP and GP. So first, let me discuss arithmetic progression. Okay, now arithmetic progression is where the terms go as A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Okay, where the same value gets added on to the first term, right? Now, to find out the nth term, again this chapter is going to be a formula oriented chapter, friends. So the agenda is to quickly recap the formulae and then we will do a couple of sums for quick practice. Now, nth term of an AP is given as A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference and A represents the first term. And sum of n terms of an AP is given as n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? Now if I am asking you sum of n natural numbers, applying this formula, the simplified version will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. If it is going to be sum of n odd numbers, first 5 odd numbers, first 7 odd numbers, like that, then the sum is directly, again you can apply, you will get answer as n square. And sum of squares of, yes ma'am,
screen share பண்ணல ma'am.
Yeah, so I hope the screen is shared now. So now sum of squares of n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, and sum of cubes of n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Right, friends? So these are the formulae with respect to arithmetic progression that you will need to remember. You can take down for your reference. Can I continue? Moving ahead to geometric progression. Now, geometric progression is a series where the terms are not added but they are multiplied with a common ratio. So, AR square, AR cube, and so on. Okay. Now, nth term of a GP is given as A into R to the power n minus 1. And sum of n terms in a GP is given as A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R if R is less than 1, or A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. So this is your reference for your sum of n terms of a GP. So if the ratio is less than 1 or greater than 1, we'll decide. Now when it comes to a GP, we can find the sum of infinite series. Okay, how to find out the sum of infinite series? A divided by 1 minus R. A divided by 1 minus R. Okay, so this is your sum of infinite series of a GP. So these are the formula that you will refer for geometric progression. Clear, friends? Now, in the question, if they mention 3 terms in AP, then it is always safer to assume A minus D, A, comma, A plus D. Similarly, if they mention 3 terms in GP, then assume it as A by R, A and AR. Okay, this way it is easier for you to
Ma'am,
solve the scenario. Yes, ma'am?
ma'am, Sudarshana is waiting out now to join the meeting.
Okay. Okay, so this summarizes your formulae relating to AP and GP. Take down the formulae. Let's get to some couple of questions for practice. Question number 1. Sum of 3 numbers in AP is 15. Their product is 80. The numbers are. So when I say 3 numbers are in AP, it is always safe to assume A minus D, A plus D. So the 3 numbers are in AP, the sum being 15. So A minus D plus A plus D equals 15. D you can cancel, which gives you 3A equals 15 and A therefore equals 5. Okay, A therefore equals 5. Now their product if is 80. So I can say A minus D into A plus D is equal to 80, which indicates that 5 minus D into 5 plus D equals 80. So taking 5 on the other side, 80 by 5 will give you 16. So 5 minus D into 5 plus D is 5 square, which is 25 minus D square. 25 minus D square is equal to 16. Therefore D square equals 9 and D equals plus or minus 3. Now if you take plus or minus 3, you will get plus 3 abdina 5. Sorry, A minus D. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Or other way around, 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3. Either ways you will get the same answer. The terms are going to be 2, 5, 8. So the terms are 2, 5, 8. Right, friends? Okay. Next, the 4 arithmetic means between -2 and 23 are. So when you say 4 arithmetic means, it means the starting term is -2. Arithmetic indicates it is an arithmetic progression. There are 4 terms in between, followed by the next fifth term, the next term, which is 23. So this is A, the first term. This is A, the first term. Now I have term 2, 3, 4, 5, and this becomes the 6th term. Okay. So now to find out D, what we are going to do? We are going to take A is equal to -2, which is the first term. 6th term is 23. How to find out the nth term in an AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is -2 plus n minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into D. So simplifying, you get 25 equals 5D, therefore D equals 5. Now using this, give your answer. -2, next term will be -2 plus 5. Next term will be -2 plus 5 into 2, 10. Then -2 plus 15 and -2 plus 20. So you get the terms as 3, 10 minus 2, 8, 13 and 18. The next term being 23, which is already given. So these are your 4 arithmetic means. So whenever they ask you the means in between, it refers to the terms that are in between the progression. Next, first and last term of AP is -4 and 146. Sum of terms is 7171. The number of terms is, so first term A is equal to -4. Last term, I don't know what is n, so 146 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So -4 plus n minus 1 into D. Neither do I know what is D. Similarly, sum of n terms. What is the formula for sum of n terms? N by 2 into 2a. 2a is 2 into -4 plus n minus 1 into D. Given this, so now you have 2 equations which can be simplified. Solve for D and solve for n and give me the answer.